Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I build a modern nightstand with the LED light around it. Okay, let's do it. So before I start building that nightstand, so I drew a diagram of how the nightstand is gonna look on the paper first. And here is the view from the side, from one side of the nightstand. So this is this is the top of the nightstand, and then there's a space, the open space here, to have a picture, a family picture or something. And then there are two letters as a support for this top here. And then there's another top here, and then in this area is the a storage with a door, so we can open and close the door there. And this is the base of the nightstand, and is a little bit off of the this whole storage here, so then it can create the looks like this nightstand is floating if you look down from the top. And here's a look at on the front of the nightstand here. And then I have some measurement, already have some measurement here, and then I label all of these pieces. And then this is, I'm using the 3/4 thick 4x8 lumber that I bought from the Home Depot. And here's all of the measurements that I came up with for this nightstand. Okay, so I went ahead and cut all of the pieces here that needed for building that nightstand, based on all of the measurements that I have here. That includes the two letters here. And in the next video section, I will show you how I build or how I cut these two letters. So to build or to make the two letters as the support for this this top here, so I have to, or I create, I draw a template on a paper with the two letters with the exact dimension that I want, which is so 12 inch for the width, and then 8 inches for the height. And then I'll put them into, I cut the same lumber with the exact same dimension, and then I attach this paper drawing onto that lumber. So then this is what I mean by that. So I have this, can you see right here? So then I create, or I cut a template with two letters, and then I just draw alongside of these letters. And then later on I'm going to use a saw to cut along these letters after I take out this template, so that I can reuse this for the other side of this nightstand. So you can see right here, so after I take out that template, and then here's the drawing on the actual wood that I need to cut, and I'm gonna do the same to the other side of the nightstand, create the same two letters. And there are a few stand marks on this, on the letters here, but I'm not gonna worry about this because this letter, I'm gonna paint this letter later on, so it will hide all of these stands here. So I use my bandsaw here to cut these two letters, as you can see. So I got two sets of these, and just a little bit more information. So the T and V letter here is my first letter. This is the first letter in my first name, and then this is the first letter in my wife's first name. So, and this nightstand is gonna be in our bedroom. So it's kind of special to us. And now I might need to put some veneer around the edges of these letters, just so when I paint these, they will look more finished rather than having the can see. Even if I paint these, I might be able to still see these lines here. So, but I'll see like if I'll be able to put a veneer around this letter, just because of these corner edges here is a little bit tricky to put a veneer on, but we'll see. So I just like to add a little bit more information about this nightstand here. So my plan is to paint this storage area, including the base and the letters, and then the back panel here white, and then the two tops here, this one and then this one, I'm gonna stand it with a darker stand, which I will show you later on in this video. And so then I also got some pocket holes pre-drilled here before I put everything together, and I also had some holes, drill some hole on here. On this is the bottom of the storage area, and you can see here like these are the stand from the previous headboard I made, but I made a mistake on the stand, so I have to reuse. I have to go and bought a new 4x8 panel for that headboard, and reuse the old one here for the nightstand. But all of these area will be painted white, so the stand here won't be noticeable. So then the next step I'll do is I'll put a veneer around the edges of some of these pieces, whatever the edges that are visible to the outside. So I'm gonna put a veneer over those edges, just so they look finished. So when I stand or paint those area, they will look finished at the end. Instead of, you can see right now, you can see, so there are some different color here, different lines. So if I paint these and then the surface here doesn't look good at all. So I finished putting the veneer around these visible edges here, including some of these down there. So I have to wait about a couple hours for the glue underneath the veneer here to dry out, and then I'll use this tool to trim off all of the extra veneer that comes out like this around these edges. So now these veneer is already dried out, and then I use the tool to trim off all of the extra veneer around these edges, and then sand them down a little bit to smooth these edges out. And so these are the top pieces. So I'm gonna stand those using the pre-stand wood conditioner here first, and then I'm gonna apply this stand color to match with the other furniture in my bedroom. So I just like to mention one more thing. So then this is the base of the nightstand that I just made by using two of the 3/4 thick boards and piece them together, so to make up for the thickness of 1.5 inches. So as you can see in this drawing here, so then this is the base here, which with the length is 15.5 inches. And now the next step is I'll put together the box or the pieces for the storage space right here, including the base here. So before I do the painting for this storage box here, I need to do a try fit of everything. So you see, I just made the door for this storage there, and put in some brackets there, some are like hinges right there, and once I'm done painting, and then I'll put in the handle, the door handle right here. But I just need to see like how everything looks before I do the real painting. and the color that I'm gonna paint this the whole thing here is white. The high gloss white paint. So now everything is dried up. I mean, like the stand already dried up, and then the paint here is finished. So I'm gonna put these connect these two support things here to the side. These letters to the side like this. So to connect these, I'm gonna use dowels to to connect the two tops here together with this letter right between. And so I'm gonna use dowels and wood glue to connect these pieces. So so I mark up all of the position or the spots here with the painting tapes around. So these are the positions that I want to put the two support letters. So just so then they look a little bit as balanced as possible on both sides. And so now I'm finished that, and then I'm gonna drill some holes on each of these legs here, and then the same for these this side to put the dowels through. So I finished putting in the two support letters here for the top panels using the dowels. So there are a couple mistakes that I made, which here I have an extra hole right here. This is a wrong spot, so I'm gonna fill this one up with the wood filler, and either restand that, or I can use the permanent marker with the similar color to color this hole here. Plus, like these would be underneath. This is the bottom of the top panel, so it will not be visible to the outside. Same here, I chip a little bit here when I drew drill the hole for these for the dowels to go through here. So I chip that one a little bit. So the same, I'm gonna use the wood filler to fill up these cracks. So to secure more of the legs of these support letters here, so I put 4 screws to hold to secure the legs, these legs here. So then this is gonna be the bottom of the second top panel. So these will not be visible to the outside as well. And then right here would be the that storage space. So here is the finished top of the nightstand there. And now I think it's time to put everything together, including this top and then this storage space with the door there, right there. So here is the almost finished nightstand. The last thing that I need to do is to run an LED light strip around the bottom of this nightstand here, and then I think I'm done after that. And this is to me like a little bit small nightstand. This is just because I don't have much space in my bedroom to put a bigger nightstand. So this should be okay with the space that I have upstairs. And then I'm gonna show it to you once I bring this one upstairs into my bedroom and put an LED light strip around that one. So I brought this nightstand into the bedroom here and got it set up with some the lights down there, and put in some picture, and then the alarm clock right there. And here is it in the during night here, and then when the lights turned off, and then I turn on the LED light at the bottom there and around in the back. Just a little bit update about this nightstand here. Earlier in this video you can see, so there's with this door here, so there's a hinge, two couple hinges alongside of that that door, and my wife didn't like those hinges to be visible outside, so I took it out and replaced this door with the with another hardware, so that it hidden inside here, so these will not visible to the outside. And that is the soft close as well. So then that's the only update to this nightstand here, but otherwise everything else look the same. So if you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.